Olfactory indicators. We learned about natural indicators as well as artificial indicators. Now, when certain substances is added to some food particles, they may change their odor or smell. And by identifying that change in smell, we can distinguish them as acid and bases. Let's learn through an example. Here, I am taking 6 cloth strips. And in the first 2 cloth strips, I have sprayed vanilla extract. And in the next 2 cloth strips, I have sprayed clove extract. And in the last 2 cloth strips, some onion, I was cut some onion and I placed this 2 cloth strips and I kept it in the freezer. And after some hours, I take it. Then obviously that those 2 cloth strips will have a very irritating or bad smell of that onion. So we have 6 different cloth strips with 3 different smells. And when I added NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, few drops of sodium hydroxide was added to one of the cloth strips with vanilla smell, we can observe that the smell of vanilla was completely vanished. On the other hand, when the second cloth strip with the vanilla smell was sprayed or mixed with 1 or 2 drops of hydrochloric acid, there was no change in the smell. That is, the smell of vanilla persisted there. And it is the same thing that is happening to clove extract as well as onion extract. That is, when the 2 cloth strips that was sprayed with clove extract, when NaOH was added, their smell was gone. And when HCl is added, their smell persists. The same thing happens with cloth strips with onion smell as well. That is, such substances, the substances that change odor when they are utilized in certain substances, and by understanding the change of odor or change of smell, we can distinguish them as acid and bases. Because here NaOH is a base. When the base was sprayed, the smell has completely vanished. So we can say that the product we utilized was base. On the other hand, when we added acid to those cloth strips, the smell persisted. So we can say that the added particular substance was an acidic substance. So such indicators are known as olfactory indicators. When these indicators are added in suitable substances, by understanding the change happening to that smell or odor, we can distinguish them as acid and bases. Such indicators are known as olfactory indicators.